So can we know this?
Yeah, this is Vinod, our CFO. I guess you are talking about the consolidated number for this quarter. So in all proprietary trading, we earn 45.8 crores in this quarter.
Okay, very nice. So that we regularly do and make money there also. And our SMC is also making applications in the IPOs.
IPOs we apply through our NBFC arm, who qualifies for institutional investors. So there we apply for it.
Okay. Sir, one more thing. I mean, our performance is much more superior, and the share market price of our company only follows. So, I mean, in case of many other organizations, brokerage organizations, their share values are far higher than EPS relations. Means our EPS is now heading towards 18 rupees. And our share is at only 160 rupees. And elsewhere, the EPS is even 8-9 rupees and the share is 200 or 300 rupees. So how, our company is looking to, reward shareholders by increasing the market value of the company?
This is share market. It depends upon you. The price of the share is the person who plays in the market is depend upon them. So we can't comment on the share price of the share. And our aim is to do hard work, show the result, show the profit, show the systems is in place. So we are doing that. And we cannot comment on share price.
Okay. Sir, can we list our segment, that is NBFC firm, as a separate company on BSE, NSE, and then our, housing finance company, then our merchant banking, where we are doing a lot of consultancy work. So if we split our company into 2-3 companies, then I think sum total will be far bigger than the current price of the share.
We can unlock the price when time will come. We have kept in mind. So right now I don't want to comment on this also.
Okay. And state investments are also yielding results to us by now, or we are only invested right now? We are able to realize some profit there also?
I cannot understand your question.
Sir, our company is also investing and partnering in real estate businesses.
Every vertical is contributing. Some less and some more, but all verticals are doing good.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir, and all the best. Your management is excellent, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Great.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. Thank you. The next follow-up question is from the line of Faraz from Quantum Trade Advisory. Please go ahead.
Thank you. My question would be regarding the NBFC business. I would like to understand what kind of industries or what kind of sectors are we choosing, for the SME loans that we are dispersing at the moment. Is there a certain criteria that we have, and how are we evaluating them?
Yeah. So, Himanshu here. So, out of the total AUM, our 80% of the exposure is to the SME segment, and we are industry agnostic in the SME space. So we don't have any preference or maybe selective list of the industries where we lend to. However, as a prudent underwriting practice, we definitely have identified certain sectors as a negative sector wherein we don't lend. For example, the real estate developer is one of the examples where we don't lend to, or somebody who is in infrastructure kind of business where the cash flows are long-term. There is long-term payback period. So there is a list that we continuously review on a quarterly basis and readjust that with the performance of the that particular industry basis our feedback that we get.
Okay, and how?
In the portfolio, I don't believe any single industry would contribute even like 4-5% of the AUM. So that is well diversified.
That's very nice, sir. Another question would be on the underwriting part. How are we doing that at the moment?
Okay, so you want to know about like our underwriting practice in the NBFC. Okay, so basically, first of all, we have a well-defined product and policy in place. We have identified and documented what kind of customers do we want to target to while we are lending. So there is a good amount of clarity there. What kind of customers do we select? So there are aspects like their business vintage. Just to give you an example, or maybe their CIBIL or their repayment track record. Like we don't lend to new to credit customers. There should be a good clean repayment track record for the existing loans. There are like very clear policies around their turnover thresholds, about their business growth. We analyze the banking, we analyze their GST and tax information. We do proper field investigations, personal discussions with the customers, and calculate various financial ratios. So there are, lot of things, and, everything is documented, and whatever changes there is a proper risk management committee which comes out with any proposed change. Obviously, as we see or as we get feedback from the market or the portfolio, we are constantly evolving our policy. So there is a proper committee system which rolls out the circulars which gets implemented with the credit and underwriting team. And we have experienced professionals from the industry, most of them being chartered accountants and having good experience in the underwriting part in the relevant products. So, and on the top of that, we have in-house collection team. We have not outsourced any collection activities as of now.
Okay. So on the leverage ratio front, currently we would be at 1.84 times, right?
You are asking about particularly the NBFC business?
NBFC segment, particularly.
Yeah.
And are we looking to increase the leverage ratio anytime?
As a philosophy, we think that we can leverage up to 3 or 3.5 times of the equity. So, with the current equity base, which is about 445 crores, we believe that we can grow up to like 2,000 plus crores of AUM with the accrued profit also coming in. So we can easily achieve that kind of number. And, after that kind of AUM, we would think about raising the equity for the further growth.
Okay. That's it from my side, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. A reminder to all the participants, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. As there are no further questions, I now hand the conference over to Mr. Mahesh C. Gupta for closing comments.
Thank you, Rashka. Thank you all for participating in this earning call. I hope we have been able to answer your questions satisfactorily. If you have any further questions or would like to know more about the company, please reach out to our Investor Relations Manager at Q4 Advisory. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you very much.
Thank you. On behalf of SMC Global Securities Limited, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines. Thank you.